Congratulations on your brand new Brio S19 Deluxe. It will be packaged securely. Simply open the box, remove the charging box and check around to see which side the wheels are on. Lay the box flat so that the wheels are facing the ground. Carefully pull out the scooter. Remove all the packaging from your scooter. Your scooter will have already had its electrical connections, brakes and tyre inflations checked by our professionals. You will need to unfold it. Have the scooter resting on the ground on the rear wheels. Push the red lever on the side of the scooter with your foot and pull the tiller up. Keep pulling until you hear a click and the front wheels will touch the ground. Unfold the backrest and raise the armrests. In the box, you will have received a charger. To charge your scooter, connect the cable to the battery box. Slide the charger port open and plug in the XLR charger. We recommend purchasing an outlet surge protector for your scooter. This will help protect your scooter from damage in the event of a sudden power surge. Plug the charger into the standard wall outlet. If the battery indicator shows red, you will need to leave it to charge. Batteries are usually fully charged in 4 to 10 hours. It is recommended you charge your scooter overnight after daily use. If the battery indicator shows green, your scooter is fully charged. Don't let your scooter charge drop to zero. Once your scooter is charged, it will not overcharge if left connected. The ampage from the charger will almost be zero. Your scooter will be fine to be left to charge overnight. Your scooter has a simple display panel, including your battery indicator, speed dial, power light, key, horn and headlights. It is important to keep an eye on your battery indicator as it is a visual representation of your charge. If you're on green, your battery is well charged. On yellow, start considering charging it. On red, you have low charge and will need to recharge your scooter. Your power light is used for troubleshooting your scooter. The number of times it flashes will give you an idea as to what the problem may be. For more information, please refer to the manual. To turn your headlights on, flick the button to on. To turn them off, flick the button to off. To activate freewheel mode on your scooter, locate the red lever above the back right wheel arch. Push the lever up to activate freewheel mode. This means you will be able to push your scooter manually. To take it off, simply push the lever down again. Make sure your scooter is off when you activate freewheel mode. Don't freewheel the scooter on a slope. If you activate freewheel mode when your scooter is on, you will need to switch your scooter off and restart it. This will re-engage the brakes. To fold your scooter, fold the chair and armrest down. Push the red lever with your foot and pull the tiller down towards the scooter. If you have any questions with your new Brio, be sure to refer to the manual or contact Out and About Healthcare on 1300 366 545.